Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's day 10 of the Advent calendars. And I was just about to film and Smudge came up. So here he is. Smudge, you'll have to sit down. Oh, sorry y'all. Come on. You want to do yours first? We'll do his first. All right, here is the cat calendar. This I got from PetSmart. All right, Smudge. We're on day 10, so let me find it. Smudge. Now he's going behind the camera. Now that I need him over here. Here, the middle of the door is 10. We'll pop that in. There is a place to pop, but okay. Smudge, look what I got for you. Smudge, come on. Oh, this is adorable. You know, this is a cute calendar, y'all, because some of the calendars that I saw for cats, well, if they were treats, you know, they were all the same, you know, plain kind of treats. And the boys, they can have some treats, but I've heard that some of the treat ones didn't even taste good, so I didn't want to bother with that. I did see some different calendars with toys, but they were constantly repeating. Like they had only like 3 or 4 toys that they repeated. Not to say that they're not going to repeat any in this calendar, but they may, which is fine. Like I have already gotten 2 plastic balls and that's fine. But look at this cute little snowman. And these are supposed to be with catnip. So he's back. Smudge. We've got, whoops, let me try to turn this way. There he is on his calendar. Look what I got for you, Smudge. Smudge, here's your calendar. Here's your snowman. Like that? And Blue, who knows where Blue is, y'all. He doesn't come by to see it. He plays with these things later. You like that, Smudge? Isn't that cute? That cute? Well, we'll go on to the next one while he looks at that, y'all. I'll leave it that way a little bit. I'm going to open the candy. And then this is going to be it, y'all, because this is just, these are repeating, and I think it's a little boring. Here's 10. We'll just do it to get it done. Oops. There goes a nail. Pop the nail in the door. Oh, see, we've had this one before. It's like a raspberry or something. It is, latte macchiato truffle. I guess it's not raspberry. But anyway, I'm going to be done with that calendar if y'all don't mind, because it takes up a little too much time. And then I'm not even eating these. They're all just going in this dish. And, okay, Smudge, are you ready to let me get into the Macy's calendar? Okay, I'll try to move him. Woo! Okay. All right. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I know y'all like him, so I'm not going to say sorry. All right. I've got the 25 Days of Beauty from Macy's, okay? And let's look in here. This is really nice. It's sturdy. It's a good size calendar and all, and here it is. And here is day 10 up here, okay? Now it has this pinch thing going on, which when I did that before, well, it helped me get out what was in there, and I didn't grab it well enough this time. All right, let's see if I can. Ooh, this is something from Clinique. Okay, Smudge, let me see. I need a little help getting it out of here. Okay, here we go. This is a good size, y'all. Look at that. It is Clinique Moisture Surge 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Okay, that's a nice size jar. Now, you know, these things are like, they call them deluxe samples, but that's a good size. I used to use Clinique when I was a young person and I just like got out of college and started working. I used Clinique and because I had sensitive skin, and I really loved it. I used the makeup, I used the skincare, but this one I don't know. Moisture Surge Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Now this looks like a gel, which is not necessarily my favorite thing, but nice and cooling in summertime. But this is, I don't know exactly where the bottom of this is, but this, look at it, it's filled pretty much to the top. There's a little air pocket, but it doesn't really have a scent. There's no seal. So I am going to close it back up though. I may not use it. I may put it in a giveaway, but that's a nice little thing, y'all. Can you see the ring lights blocking it a little bit? But anyway, that is day 10. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.